Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to divide your strawberry plant. You can see here that I've got two strawberry plants growing. There's a mother plant here and there's one just on top of over there, just over there. And here you can see these are the new plants that are coming out from the mother plant. Now these are called runners, so each one of these is a new plant. However, it is attached to the mother plant. Now you can leave it like this if you want to. However, you can create brand new plants by separating them. You may want to move them to another location, you may want to give them to friends and family, or you may just want to get rid of them. Anyway, if you do want to create new plants, new strawberry plants, I'll show you how to do that now. Right, so the first thing you want to do is get your containers. If you're going to put them in pots, then just get them ready and just top them up. Now here's a little tip for you guys. You don't have to use compost, fresh compost. You can use the soil from where your strawberries are currently growing, and the reason for that is if they're growing here, it's telling you that the soil that they're growing in is good enough for them. So you're not wasting your money on buying compost or using compost unnecessarily. Just use the compost at the soil that's already there. So just top up your pots as required. And the reason why it's important to do this first is because when you separate the strawberry plants, they have somewhere to go immediately. So you're reducing the risk for them drying out and then not growing and not getting good start. So top your pots up. Now the first thing you want to do is identify which plant you want to separate from the mother plant. So I'm just going to use this one here. You can see that it's embedded itself nicely into the soil there. So first, before you separate the plant, you just get a fork and you loosen the soil around it. You don't want to jab it out, just loosen the soil nicely, because what you don't want to do is just disturb the root system. Once you've got a nice, once you've separated it nicely, slowly just bring it out using the fork. It's okay to do this because what you're doing is taking off the excess soil. Now it's fine that the soil comes out, and look at that, we've not disturbed, we've not broken any of the roots, and that's come out nicely. So here we go. Now that we've removed the plant from the soil, you can see that it's still attached to the runner there, to the main plant. Easy thing to do now is just get a pair of secateurs, cut it off close to the plant, and if there's any others that you see, just separate it completely. Now you can see you've got a brand new strawberry plant. Now it's important that you get that into some soil immediately. And so if you get the pots that you prepared earlier, make a little hole, take some soil out actually, so it's like that, a bit more, place your plants in there, get some soil again, and just top it up. Firm it down gently, and there you go. You now have a brand new strawberry plant ready to grow. Just keep that nice, well watered. You can leave it outside over winter and it will grow nicely and it will give you some delicious strawberries. It's also worth mentioning that now that you've collected your plants and you've potted them up, any runners you have like this, you can get rid of them because you've got your plants now. What these will do, they'll just continue on running out and growing more plants for you, but you don't need that because you have your new plants now. And what it also does, it clears up space for other crops that you may have, that you may want to grow in the next season. And by removing these runners, you're allowing the mother plant to focus all its energy into next year's produce for you, so you'll get a lot more strawberries by getting rid of these. Now that you have your new strawberry plants, there's only one thing left to do, and that's to label them up. And there you have it. Enjoy your free strawberry plants.